Look, does anybody speak English at all? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Here we go.
Okay, so we'll just go.
3, 2, 1, go! Now, Rochdale, that was absolutely rubbish. You've got to really clap.
You've got to really cheer.
You've got to really scream.
Madam, you've got to really throw that baby into the air.
And then we'll start the show. Let's do it again.
Okay, let's do it again.
Do it from back here.
The children are ready, everybody.
3, 2, 1, go! Good afternoon, Rochdale!
Here they are!
A big round of applause for the Small World Choir, please. Come on, stand a bit further in the light. There you go.
Say, come on.
Hello. You've all got these special Christmas red capes on. What's your name? Come on, please. R. And what's your name? Everybody, all the children, shout your name out as one. Go! Quite scary. Well done. Please. Just shout your name.
Jory!
Do you want an easier question? Sarah! Molly! Harrison! And?
Joe!
There we go. And what's your name?
Amy.
Amy. Lovely Amy. Now, you're going to sing for us, aren't you? Are you leading the choir?
Yeah.
They're going to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Step a little bit closer into the light, but not too near the edge as we're not insured. Okay? And we don't want the same thing that happened in Wigan. That was terrible. Very, very nervous. Don't worry, they're fine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them an encouraging round of applause. The Small World Choir. Join in, everybody. Here we go. A bit louder. Well done, kids. Ladies and gentlemen, a massive round of applause for the Small World. Well done, everybody. That was great. Do you know any Iron Maiden? Do you know Iron Maiden? Yeah? Big fan. Well done. I think, can we have another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? They were really terrific.
Give it up for the Small World Choir. And actually,